Welcome to a short tutorial on building SharePoint forms, starting with a simple Power Apps form that will help you to order fruits from a fruits list. Before we get started, design your data. In this particular case, we are having a fruits table. We have the fruits name, color, and price. Depending on your needs, decide the data, the SharePoint list, and the columns you need. Then you decide the columns you need. After that, if you want, we can apply a background image. Then we publish the app and then we note the URL. We will modify the source attribute to the home page. We'll be adding a link to the home page that will let you order the fruits. So let's get started with the demo. So we are in the demo fruits list. We'll select the new icon whereby we create a new item to the list. From here, let's customize this form. Select Customize and the Power Apps form opens. So when the form opens, we have the data which shows the fields or the attributes of the columns. We are going to use the title, color, price and attachments. For now, let's just try to show only the columns we need. So we can select this. Let's try to hide the color column. So if you want to hide the color column, we uncheck the visible to false. We just toggle it to off. Next, we select the form. So once we select the form screen. Once you select the form screen, the properties appear on the right. So you can change the fill background color to some other color. Let's just select, let's say, a green background. And once the background is selected, we can select our own background image from a local file. I've selected a dream image, and then we can we can center the image or stretch it or tile it. So in this particular image, let's just try to fill it. So look at the different options. Center means center. So there are different options for the image. Let me just choose the center itself or fill. Let's just try the fill. And once this is done, you can preview using the play button. And once the preview is done, let me just select the center itself for now. And then we can save and publish. Select save, then publish. Once the form is published, we can go back to our list and see how the form looks like. So look at this. This is the allitems.aspx page which displays all the items to the list. So let me go back to SharePoint. So let's try to construct the URL to the new form.aspx. So this is the all items. So in case you want to go to the new form.aspx, all you have to do is new form.aspx. Okay. And if you wanted to redirect to a different source, that is after the form submission, if you have a thank you page, or we just want to redirect to the home page for now. So you might have your own thank you page. For now, let's just try a new thank you page itself or the home page. And you want the home page, so this is how the link will be. So the new form.aspx followed by the source attribute. If you have a thank you page, you can create a thank you page and link to that, or we can just redirect back to the home page. So this is the link where when I select this, it opens the new item where the users can order a new fruit and they can select the type the fruit they want and select the price and then save it. So let's cancel. Let's note this particular URL. Now we'll go back to the home page and in the quick links web part, let me edit the page and select the quick links web part and select edit. Select this and select edit this particular link and look at the link. The link has been changed. So if you can select from a particular link, you can just paste this particular link, select open and then save it. Select change and finally save and publish it. So if you want to have, let's try to add a new thank you page if needed. So coming to the icons, you have different icons. So let's just, you can choose any icon based on your needs. For this particular item, there are different icons. You can just, let's say, search for icon called add. So let's select this particular icon itself. Select change. Sorry, select save. Once it's done, save. Close it and then publish it. So now let's just try to order. You can do this from your mobile also. You open up this page from your mobile and select this particular icon where you want to order a new fruit and we'll just give the details. So let's say green apple and let's choose the price as 10 and select save. So once it is saved, it goes back to the home page itself where our new Apple ordered items are displayed. So you might have a new view which will display only the items ordered by the user where the created is equal to me. You can create a view like that and only the fruits which are ordered by the user will be displayed there. So in case you want to create a page, a separate page, thank you. So what you can do is we can create a page called thank you. Let's say thank you. And over here, we'll add a text. Let's say we'll add a text. Thank you for your order. Enjoy your fruit. So you can add a particular link or link to the, let's just, you can add a link or the list, particular list itself with a different view. Let's add the list demo fruits and we'll change the view. We'll edit the view. We'll just say where filter created by is equal to me. So this will allow you to see only the fruits which are ordered by the user and not other users. So let's go back and then save. and publish. So we can note this particular link copy address and we'll go back to the home page. Now if you want to change this order new fruit to take you to the thank you page, we will change the source attribute. We'll select this and then we'll edit this particular link, change this particular link. So where this is the source. So first I'll get the new form.aspx, where this is new form.aspx and the source is thank you page. Okay, note the link after the list give new form.aspx, the source change to the thank you page and select that and select change, select save and publish. Now let's try to order a new fruit. Let's check if the new page thank you has come. Very good. We'll give, let's say, kiwi and give 10 and select save. And after the form is submitted, it will take you to the thank you page. If you want, you can go back and you can see the list of fruits ordered by me only. The other users will not be able to see the orders which you have made. So let's go back to the home page. So we have created a Power Apps form which will just let you order a new fruit, which is nothing but new form.aspx, and we can see the list of all orders for the administrators. So as a quick summary, we learned how to place order to buy fruits using Power Apps, how to publish the Power Apps form, and how to get the link and update the link on any page, how to modify the source attribute based on your needs. So hope this is a jump start for you to develop simple yet stunning Power Apps forms. As a good practice, try to keep the number of form items to the minimum because mobile is small. So it's better to have just one or two or maximum 5 items in the form so that people or you might be tired of filling many items in a form. So as a good practice, let's keep the form items to the minimum and create simple yet superb Power Apps forms. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.